I just adore this. This is the height of cinema. We don't need pop art anymore. Like, this is it. This is what we've all been striving for and reaching for. And we reached it, we plucked it out of the sky, and then The Rock attached a chain to it and pulled it back down to Earth. That is the height of pop art.
You would think we flew too close to the sun, but there was a chain on it that The Rock was holding, so we didn't.
Icarus should have had The Rock around.
If only Icarus had The Rock holding a chain attached to a truck trailer.
And when there was only one footprint in the sand, The Rock was dragging you down the beach by a fucking chain because he's a goddamn savage and he's here to save us all. He's Dwayne The Rock. Yeah.